Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today we are going to make a very easy granny square, but this is a different one and we call it Nicole's granny square. I have here my cotton yarn and my 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So we are going to make our slip knot. Chain 6, and we're going to join to form a ring. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet, and work on inside the ring 2 more double crochets. Chain 1, and we're going to make 3 more on our ring. So 3 double crochets, chain of 1. So repeat 2 more times. So now we are going to attach by slip stitch on our first chain 3. We're going to slip stitch on the next 2 chains, 2 double crochets until we reach the first corner. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will count as our first double crochet. 2 more double crochets. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. So this will be our corner for the second round of our granny square. Chain 1, and we're going to repeat 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets on the next corner. So you're going to repeat this one 3 more times for all the corners with chain 1 in between. Chain 1 in between your corners and repeat 2 more times. So I make my chain of 1 and we're going to slip stitch to close our second round. So we're going to slip stitch again to reach our corner. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will count as our first double, and we're going to do our corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and on the chain 1 space here we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. So we made 1 V-stitch in between our corner. Chain 2 and make your corner again of 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, and on the chain 1 space we're going to make our V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, chain 2 and do again your corner. So repeat 2 more times for both sides. So I made my chain 2 and we're going to slip stitch to close our round. And again, we're going to slip stitch until we reach our corner. We're going to do our corner. Chain 3, 2 more double crochets, chain 1, 3 more double crochets, chain 2, and we're going to repeat our V-stitch, 1 double crochet, but instead of chaining 2 we're going to make a chain of 3 and 1 more double crochet. So there is a chain 3 space instead of a chain 2, and then chain 2, and we're going to make our corner. So repeat this on all of our sides. Chain 1, then chain 2 in between, then our V-stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 more double crochet, chain 2 before our corner, and repeat your corner again. So repeat for all our sides. So now we are done with our Nicole's granny, a very simple one and a very lacy granny square. So happy crocheting, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please share our video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless.